Clean your C drive in Windows 11 fast using one of the quickest disk analyzers available. WizTree shows you exactly how to find the biggest files in seconds. I'll show you how WizTree works, how to quickly find large files, safely remove what you don't need, and free up disk space. Download WizTree from diskanalyzer.com, install it and open it. Select your C drive and click Scan. In seconds, you'll see exactly what's taking up space. At the top, you see your storage overview with its total capacity, how much space is used, and how much is still free. This is the tree view. This shows folders and files and how much space they're using, from the largest at the top to the smallest ones at the bottom. In the bottom section, you're seeing a visual map. Bigger blocks mean more disk usage. Colors match the file type shown on the right. Avoid the Windows folder, unless you know exactly what you're doing. Focus on the users folder, especially downloads, desktop, and videos. Open a large folder, for example, videos. Click a large file, right-click it, then delete it. Large files may be permanently deleted right away. Smaller files go to the recycle bin first. Then go into the downloads folder and delete any files you don't need. Select multiple files by holding down the control key, then right-click and choose delete. Now open the recycle bin to permanently delete those files. Right-click on an empty area inside the window and select empty recycle bin. Click yes to permanently delete the items. Back in WizTree, you might notice large programs. To remove them, open Add or Remove Programs. Filter by your C drive. Sort the list by size, from largest to smallest. Delete anything you don't need by clicking the three dots, then click on Install. That's the fastest way to free up space using WizTree. You've now seen how to find large files, delete them safely, and free up space. I'd appreciate your feedback. Did this help? And what ended up taking the most space on your system? If you ran into anything unexpected or have questions, I'd love to hear it. Next, check out how to remove hidden junk files in Windows 11 using disk cleanup. It only takes a few minutes.